edition. Ale usufana nochomna ubuye banjiwe. Yakhuluma emva kwakade banjiwe. Manje because on a very somber note, uRoy Barreto asathola ngesikhathi sokuthi sikhulume ngayo umdala passed on bekunini I think Tuesday. Tuesday on a very city football fraternity ngabona even andazi owina league le Orlando Pirates amabhakani bona bempostile umdala lawo bakhala kakhulu amcava uRoy Barreto
Yeah.
kumbe lawo wezwa ngembali
Asezwa ngaye kanti sethina sibacha phela ubuda buphangwa nje kwazi.
ngendlela omude ngayo
Kodwa buphangwa buyazibuyela bodwa but ilokuzeni imbali ayishiye yenzile impact ayishiya wayifake football iyo sibonala namhlanje was one of the pioneers of football eZimbabwe. So sithi kalalo ngokuthula lemuli yangakibo sithi bethola ukududuzeka ngokulahlekelwa kuyinto etholakalayo empilweni.
uyamcava uTopi
khona kubusho ukuthi sesimazi through ekufundeni wathi but ukhangani hayi into achiye yenzile umsebenzi yakhe ayinhle wabona usithatha ileague uzuyethatha Orlando Pirates not in Zimbabwe kuphela but all the way to South Africa ethatha ileague eSouth Africa which means hayi
wesi first season bo Saints Zimbabwe Saints udlalile indima umdala eIvory sithi rest in peace condolences to the whole football fraternity sithi ema team zonke impilo azithinta eIvory kuqhakathekile khona lokho. Then congratulations to the General Secretary, new General Secretary weZIFA Yvonne Mapika. Omama sebengena eBoren Majenzi.
Yeah, football it's one thing which unites many people. Sithi amhlophe kuye and isikhangelele ukuthi khona mayesiza ebuyela ezothuthukisa umdlalo wenguqu njalo eyenza ukuthi khona abantu realize that ukuthi khona gender doesn't mean any difference, we're all equal together regardless of the gender which we have. So kayenza okuhle kasenzele okuhle emdlalweni ebhola sitamhlophe kuwe. We wish ukuthi ekuthuthuke siya phambili ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Last week kanje Kumbabe City congratulations to Ukutsi. This week ngoYvonne which is beautiful to see.
I mean, I think ukuthi singathi congratulations to yena uYvonne but okusho ngokuthi ukuthi like abuye ezothuthukisa ngoba yena yabe sethuthukile nje kabuye la ezothuthukisa yena sethuthukile
Injiva azibuyile.
What I'm saying ngakho ukuthi bheka manje singaze sithi congratulations to yena but in terms of ifootball abafazi lokho omunye umuntu ngambuzwa ukuthi emposa yini ukuthi angikwazi khona kumbe umthetho iRentals unumber bani amantombazana abakwazi kokho because kubethwa bangena so labo bechama cry yabo ukuthi hayi izolathi kule Simba Bora lokuzeni yayilenda so amantombazana curtain raise so that lathi ama-fans khona siyajwayela ukubukela ibhola labo mama khona siyayibona how value umuntu oyintombazana. So ibhola labo mama malingapheleli ku-ground level le.
uYvonne manje SG vele zifa
yonke.
Phela abangene phela
bekhayele both sides.
Bekhayele both sides bengabe le day aba curtain raise.
Nice yabonga. But I think even ungananzela le FIFA la kulokuzeni World Cup ngale kulabafazi aba-officiate ama-games amadoda and even iSingapore I think media officer wabo ngumuntu ongumfazi so khona kana kuqhakathekile ukuthi njani abafazi labo be-incorporate kulokuzeni into the game of football male dominated most of the times. So we are grateful for that and we are expecting the best but let us not judge her because she's a woman but let's judge her because she's a woman, she's a human being. Nxa ephambanisa nxa esenza kuhle esikukhangele ukuthi simsupport simsekele singamlahleli konke nje lapho ufuna ukufunda khona efundise ukwenzela ukuthi khona sithuthukise umdlalo because if she fails we fail together.
ingoma lelo keringe ekhanda kaze. Ngifuna uqhubeke manje. Indima zibuyile mara. Abantu bayayini. Esonto nami lisenzayo. Ngifuna ukuba serious singene siqede but ingoma lelo kusho ukuthi kumele ngiyikhiphe nje. Ancedisa nje. Indima zibuyile mara.
It's a hit song.
Lana mele bebe studio sirekhodingo.
Singazi ubani abezibhekile injiva eceni kwabanye besizwe ukuthi hayi thutela bendlela ikhona ngani
But
kukhulunywa language.
ukukompoza njengendlela otshona abantu abakompoza fast otshona ama-blind. Alalithendile atshona bebestudio zakhuluma nobeki kumele sibarekhodi. Wona uyabazotsho mina baneSoweto amele bebuye estudio e-Tape 3 lapha sibarekhodi akutshele baba. Labantu ama-blind utshona indima zibuyile mara.
Ichaza ngani ingoma le? Afana uncobuza ichaza
Hayi iyachaza
I-creativity.
zwana i-creativity.
Yeah.
Okuground manje ukuthi kuthiwa injiva ziyabuya
Ziyabuya nje.
then bona sithi injiva ziwile bese falo umarane awumarane
Beyivuma indima zibuyile
marane.
asenzweni into eserious.
Serious. Yazi mina ngiringe ekhanda into mara ngiyikhiphe. Into mara ngiyikhiphe ku-system ingabi nokiringe. But on a serious note, welcome to Tape 3 TV, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we do. This is Pass and Move Special. Your number one soccer podcast in the land. Akulela nje la. Ungezothola eZimbabwe kule soccer podcast or eSouth Africa abakutshela manga. This is the number one soccer podcast in the proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Lucky Bets senzele okuhle abantu bakholisa nje. Mthala.
Yeah, I like ibhetsi yenza kahle because ikakhulu ebhoreni isenze yathuthukisa la umdlalo webhora. Kule gap leli livele likhona ukuthi ama-players could play but they could not get recognition after the match. So in an recognition abayitholayo being the player of the match iyajabulisa. Sizolo sithi bakhethe bani hayi indawo ungakhethwanga mina ngibona abantu badlala ingcono. So khona kuyabanika i-motivation to play harder because there's an extra incentive at the end of the day. La nxa engasayitholanga but thina esibukelayo now we are receiving the value of our money esebesibhadalela ukuyabukela ibhora because wonke umuntu is giving his 100+% so that he can get the prize at the end of the day. Unfortunately only one person wins it, but kuyachaza.
Even ngapha kulabana bendeki. Awona omunye indudo odliwe indeki. Bebe awathi ntona liyazi yazi. Indeke. Kuyazenzeka.
So manje phela sokulokuza.
Hayi buche.
Why we
Yazi ebhoreni ngaseBhoreni sizinto ezinengi. Njani?
yiko
Kodwa,
sasaba ayiwinwa iyadla ngono unomfakazi iyadla
Izole ebhoreni abeJaiski baselakhi base. Ezokuyitsho besithi azangene ephule lakhi base azodliwa indeke.
uthi ezokusithi
Ngitshela abantu ukuthi bed responsible. Ungagcina ufake izinto ezi-extra. Umuntu udle akayinitho mna leyamudla indeke. Umuntu bese sondele mina Chesky baselakhi base ngadliwa indeke. But sithi bed responsible and you must be 18 years and above. Ukuthi ungene kulakhi base uzibhejele noma yini efunayo. Becasino bendeke nale awona kuyo amagame nje.
ibhora mntana
Abantu bakufukulela amanye amagame elakhi base. Izobuthiwa uyaspina what. Abantu babheja nje but if you're feeling lucky, that's into engithanda yelakhi base. Iyakutshela if you're feeling lucky. Nxa uzizwa angani lawe.
when you're feeling like that's when you play.
Poseda.
Don't play when you're not feeling like it. Don't force
udlala
like.
ngemali
You understand?
imali lana athi usithi le imali
Enqonga balelaki njengo.
asoyami ukuthi ngingashona ngiyisebenzisa sibili ukuthi inchise kakhulu but ungadlala ngenye imali mdala mbone ngidlale iSenegal mdala uhlungu mdala 84 yazonda ukubheja mdala
86 minutes.
Uyazibuza ukuthi kanti
Lilida
sibili
two not-
liqiniso kumbe ngamanga.
Mphambaniseni.
Lilida two not uJedi ayabaseni phakathi.
Ngapha ufaka emebhe kuyi-20 mdala ufuna kuyi-60. Sukukhawuntile vele uyawusela budget. Yiko kuthiwa kufuneka abantu abale-18
And above, mature.
Cause as soon as mawudlala i-team eyodwa mdala nje ungavele kube iwine first half, imali yakhe yasuka ku-$20 oyibhethileyo, siku-$30 ucabanga ukuthi but vele la ingabona sufika ku-80 minutes isiku-$60 yana othiwa suyiwinile. Ya usucabangela yena nto ave $60 singeyami.
But abantu banezibindi kundafit ekuseni omunye uthi $500 bese kusela iBrazil. Sorry to say, but uChobana yabona awutshele banga true story. Uthi usela iBrazil win draw $500 evalile ama-team win draw. But it happens.
It happens.
Yeah, it happens. But above all, just we have to bet responsible. Bet when you know that you can lose and don't feel affected, because we've had so many numerous stories abantu bezibophela ngendaba zokudliwa lezi. So ungadlalisi imali okwazi ukuthi khona iqhakathekile, idlalisa imali okwazi ukuthi alebenza thenga ngayo ama-chips. Nxa ungadli utaba ufana nithenga ama-chips, kube mfana ukuthi ngathiwa nginike somebody ngikade ngayo umchova. So that but ungasebenzisi lokhu kuma-sweet document, ungasebenzisi imali eziqhakathekileyo, ungasebenzisi imali zabantu. So let's bet responsible. Whenever you are feeling lucky bet is there for you.
Usavereza is not with us. Uganyeti is not with us. Usavereza ubambekile esipano these days bamkhe. But bese jayela u-offer ngama-days eshuta ngama-Mondays. Namhla khanyana bambambile ungenile ngani babhizi. Uganyeti uthe enxesi siyaqedwa yabe sekhona. Abona i-mic yakhe bamfakela ama-chance. Engafika but uganyeti yawazi. But bengisethe if you're feeling like uNorman Mabheza lo Msoni. Deservedly so. Coach of the month.
I said it when he won the man of the match for the second time, that he is the player of the month so far. That was my plan, the candidate of the player of the season as well. I can vouch for Msona on that one.
As in now city candidate of player of the season. 37 years.
Age is just a number, bro.
Because of which is proving the age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
But Ronaldo mdala lokho bechova.
But you have a chove Ronaldo and 41, you have a chove, but Alan is that to be your time is up.
I see a route I'm saying time is up, and
I'm getting somewhere with this.
They're prime.
I'm getting somewhere with this. And now they're in their
prime.
So ungatuku prime udlala ku league yeZimbabwe. Wena uzijela ukuthi ku prime ukhulelwa ngumsona. Umsobho usinka. Wena uku prime
kule problem.
Manje yikho lapha engifuna sithi
level lebhora.
Nje umuntu ohaladi bayahlohla 2 umdala ehlohle 1. Ngoba uMessi umdala ehlohle 1. Kukhanda hayi lapha nokusasekhona. Ngapha thina kithi kukhona.
Messi usase 39.
I 39 is nothing.
Nje umkhombela lo Christian.
But sebekhulile. According to football, because those people there's almost over 20 years of running every day, and it's not a joke.
It's not a joke.
So it takes it to a tone in life.
But that's not the debate. Mfuna silethe
podcast
mfuna silethe ekhaya at 37 Msona is proving what you are saying, but it's labafana at their prime with 2 goals or 3 goals or as period I see sikhulume ngathi kulomfana laphana ochisa, because honestly speaking mina kathesi ku PSA la akula mfana omncane who is maybe nce asithi 16 anti silabafana bako ocha kujija aba 16 to 21 because umfana ngibe ngathi
24 25
hayi 24 umdala nje asithi 16 to 21 to me that's a youngster engamkhanyela ngithi
lokusasa la
lapha sile player la ku PSA. I think PSA is the problem yaba fana abancane aba serious ngabe kuyini just nje in 2 minutes
yabona excuse me unavaya umdala umsona la umdala, and when it comes to that you realize, you come to understand why especially ema company nxa beqhatsha besithi ba advertise vacancy bayathi khona with experience,
3 years experience.
3 years or 5 years experience. Experience is the best teacher. You will come to understand the game of football ukuthi khona if bora lifunani lidingani so that you can get those results. So the youngsters, if they are clever, they have to learn kwabaphambili. Isindebele esithi indlela ibuzwa kwabanjani? Kwabaphambili. So
Vale, Butho.
ngisabuya kupoint yakho nto
Alright.
kusala. So justify why they are doing good because they are now using the experience. They now understand why they are there. They are no longer playing for
100%.
fame. They are no longer
100%.
playing
I'm
for
not taking
fame.
anything away from
Eh,
abadala labo.
They are no longer playing for fame. Now, when it comes to youngsters, PSL ile slot, I don't know that many ama youngsters afuze bekhona emathimini, but you come to realize that ama teams they do that to just to follow the regulations of PSL. They fill in ama slots abafana abancane labantu. But isizini yaqalisa from day 1 up to match number 34, those guys bengadlalanga ibhola. Most of the time abafana abancane. Sebezaqalisa ukudlala ibhola sebekubo 24 years. That's when siqalisa ukubabona khona.
There's a reason, Jay. Yazi ufuna sikhayele i-template, asikhayele neduze South Africa. Ihambe ku-World Cup. Rele Mfokeng 21, Mbokazi 20. We can count
Yeah.
abafana abancane ade bekhona.
Almost South Africa yonke.
Umaseko is
It comes back to what
It's
it
20
comes back to the point that I'm saying. They are
Umaseko is
being
21.
given an opportunity to do so
Mm.
by their team so that they can be seen. Ama teams abanika abafana i-opportunity to showcase their talent. Ama teams ayesaba ukuthi abafana bakwenza mistakes, but mina I always tell people to khona you learn from your mistake. Banikeni abafana ithuba bedlala. OPeter Ndlovu, they were exposed at a tender age. Bahamba baze baye emazweni at 16, 17. You see, because they were exposed, but ama teams that bayenza abafana bayenza just for i-registration sake ukuthi bevunyelwe ukudlala ku-slot
Siyagcina sithatha isikhathi ngalawo, but mina le point lapho engiyakhona Masuthu ngifuna lingizwe. It's not like ukuthi abafana abancane they're not given opportunity mntana. Silabo abafana but it seems abafana abancane labana singathi wow. Umfana be consistent because at that age Butwan, you should be consistent. Sibona ukuthi at least even assist a goal here. Now attacking midfield or midfield or striker. If you're a defender, you should prove as well ukuthi why ufakwe lapha. Mina into engikhala ngayo oboys abakhona they're not uPrince umfana omncane wazi. He was given an opportunity at Highlanders. He's very young. uPrince I think ude 18. 19 if I'm not mistaken. But ngawuthi Masutu wena eHighland how many assists does Prince have and goals? We're told ngokhulelwa nguBenza because uBenza uke assist umdala at 55. That's my problem. Bakhona abafana abancane. What ukhona khona umfana konye kweSimba owangena kuyisapho kwaba nguman of the watshintsha igame. This game what happens? It's not consistent.
I-consistency yakhona i-consistency ayibuyi kawani vele. Lokhu zenini into esingayi-understand i-environment esikiyo in Zimbabwe is different from ezweni. Ezweni they've got i-proper media. I-media iyapusha ama-coaches to make decisions as well because nxa umfana engatholi limelight from the media, wena as a coach you feel pressured ukuthi umdlalise the next game. Umfana uyabethi engene elisapho, it's hard ukuthi umfana omncane efike etshintshe igame because isesemncane. Umnike i-game time sometimes umnike first 45 minutes zana ehluleke yedwa kusasa futhi umphindi kusasa futhi umphindi iyajela up as the time goes on. That's where my point is.
Masuthi ivale nje.
Mina I think enye into it's about the confidence. Once umnikeza umfana i-game time,
Exactly.
yani into iyamenza ebe le confidence. Uyabona look at abafana abanjengabomvelo oChiweta.
Ukurole lokho
We know uChiweta sase-Highland was given
Isikhathi eside
isikhathi
kakhulu.
esiningi mfalwana waba le confidence yikho wazi waboneka nje kodwa manje usehleli kodwa umbona ngathi bangabanikeza i-confidence as much as uChiweta sasimnika kanjani lokho zena ikwale oPrince labo umvelo laba kube lathi sile South Africa yethu esikwazi ukuthi hayi Zimbabwe for the next 2 years 3 years these are abafana labo 20 umvelo was turning 21 last week lapha ngeSunday. So uyabukwazi ukuthi kusafika 24 year kusafika 2027 sasile Zimbabwe eqinileyo elabafana abalaziyo.
Yeah, that's the issue nje ewenthi sidluse abafana because I get worried. Ngambona umsona Billiard. You keep on mentioning abadala while isisi le pool yabaningi yabafana abancane. Like uMakunike phela umfana omncane njengowazi. Sehluleke white joke selonwe out. That's my point. Uthi silabo abafana abancane
But can we say wehlekile kwaDrogba because it was never given time.
according to i-standard sakhe uthi simfake khona to me yabe ihlulekile kwa-drop by the way ngiyabonga ijezi le ngiyabonga ijezi ama-team
but
alama-replica
izolo yabona ipoint ekhulunywa nguMasudu 2 minutes izolo uzowakhuluma wedwa wathi umfana kuthiwa mani kuthiwa nguRonald Wanda
urowin
wathi khona use-improvile because usele confidence ekwanisa uku-attack ama-defenders
how old is urowin by the way
21
yeah it seems yayilendi yanike
inkinga kuphela abafana
abancane
inkinga nje I think imizimba yabo imncane bafitshane bedlala leziqwaga kake unganto kuyabakhulela imizimba but ibhola bayalazi
lama moves sasikhuluma ngayo ukuthi asithi uRoy ebulala swana
urowin
ayenza into kaChiwete
ehambe eSodoma
ebese siya Sodoma ngoba kuthiwa woza nga sesiyabhentsha usaphinde umbone futhi so sifuna abafana kube le guidance le mentoring
but yazi into engiyithanda wini bafanele abancane la iBank ABC i-league yabo leya iqalisile over the weekend yabafana abancane under 14 under 16 ubonini I like that program very much izazikhiphela i-talent eliningi and ama-scouters ama-team yisi isikhathi sokuthi bebukela ama-league ibidlala eHarare le Bulawayo e-White City whoever had time to go and watch abafana abancane lamankazana amancane that program I tell you I pick up to izifa sakhuluma ngayo beqeda beyiluntsha about i-program leya ingabanjwa kuhle siyaba le pool ezazikhiphela abafana abancane abaningi abablind amankazana ama-Mighty Warriors ngeke struggle ama-Warriors ngeke struggle ama-team amanye because abafana abaningi bakhitshwa ezikolo abakhitshwa ama-academy bepika ama-team lawa teams are really doing this week I think bayegweru yabe isegweru I like that program iBank ABC Roots Impact League yeah it's a very very good program elokhuzeni angazi ubuzwile ngayo lokuthi libona njani majensi i-league yani yabafana amancane namankazana eBank ABC and big up to iBank ABC in partnering with izifa to come up with that initiative.
Yeah, first and foremost, I would like to say thank you to izifa and iBank ABC because this initiative is to bring change to the football fraternity and ama-sponsors ama-scouts be-scouta fairly without lokhu abakujala ukubona ukuthi kukhethwa abalemali kuphela I think kuyathuthukisa ibhola lethu leZimbabwe isikhalazo sami kuphela ukuthi sonke sike sakhula sadlala ibhola siyakwazi i-selection even nxa kungela lokhu zenini kungela ama-scouts ama-selections sasidlala nzima thina ibhola kakhulu nxa kungela abangane abaningi kodwa nxa libhikana ngendlela yokuthi wena wazibani nxa ungala muntu omaziyo uyasala even ule-talent that is the thing which would affect us mostly but now nxa kuyukuthi khona bengayenza kuhle i-selection yabo yokuthi khona those children bekwanisa ukukwana to those under 14 games and be-select
under 14 and under 16
under 14 and 16 and they select in a proper way I think singathola something for the nation awuthi ukuthi khona singaswela 3 or 4 outstanding players throughout the country
ngendlela abakwenze ngayo ngeke uswele because ngiyakhuluma lo Fokoza ucoach assistant coach we-Chickenini because ucoach Amanda 16 wathi bra abafana labana ngendlela esiscouting ngayo sibhoda sidinga abafana sabahlanganisa for i-province yethu yakwaBulawayo watch the space which means ule sure and lathi abona ukuthi sikhuluma ngama-young coaches Fokoza ngama-young coaches who are upcoming you understand we talked about this even to the girl side we talked about this last time ule sure of i-selection ama-teams akobulawayo maybe nxa singakhuluma lo munye from another province or Mashonaland because ngiyabona eHarare Mashonaland East was the one which was dominating uza kutshela the same thing ukuthi this program this initiative is about it because it's card much time to select abafana from schools from academies you understand ukuthi bebahlanganise bejele because bebetrainer I remember kaFokoza bebetrainer eChiefs ama-under 16 lalo lamanda 14 the same so iprogram liyana butho I don't think sesingakhala yebo because it's never 100% fair in terms of
Obvious.
selection, but
Obvious.
at least nxa ukhuluma labo coach bekutshela ukuthi this time criteria lendlela abakhethe ngayo they given isikhathi sokuthi to come up with the better teams. I-program le going forward izaba one of the best programs to ever come up to come out of eZimbabwe. Yikho lokho ngibonga ibhenki ABC okuzavela besponsor this initiative ngoba besikhathi nje grassroots under 14 under 16 that's where abafana abaningi ababanjwa khona at 16 oyamali bese behlupha Jens 17 sengumchina 18 asakhuluma kade ngiyobambene i-national team ye-Spain lathi if we have same programs lathi even ezindlini nxa sibukile hamba uyebukela find time these days kulula you follow ama-channel izifa everywhere you understand ama-social media you will get to know about these programs hamba uyebukela nxa umfana sehlupha kusasa bese lokhu ngakubona lokhu like uboys la sesikhuluma ngayo okuothoni okwenjobe space very young but sesikhuluma ngama-opportunities maybe ama-national team selectors or whatever umfana lana I think is 17 njobe space uyahlupha division
What is 16 last?
is 17 years of age. You understand? So ama-selectors ethu lawo bengathola isikhathi sila abafana abancane ama-juniors who can do wonders. Pick up again to ibhenki ABC. Moving on, gents. I-verdict finally iphumile. Into esihlala sikhala ngayo ukuthi PSL find time lihlale kusasemasinya because amanye ama-decision elibuya lawo
sakwazi asedetermine ukuthi ubani sekungaki kulokhu
you see amanye ama-decisions that you come up with affecta like i-verdict iphumile Hard Rock and Dynamos igame leyana yomsindo la khangela ukuthi kunini i-verdict ibuya nini and nxa ibuya i-verdict yakhona ile mgomo lembandela e-affecta both teams endaweni eziningi uthola ukuthi ucoach we-Dynamos akasekho ku-Dynamos kodwa kuthiwa igame leyana i-resume ucoach lwana you understand ukuthi
right. I think i-verdict has came out as people were expecting ukuthi khona sizabona i-verdict jakuthini. I still remember when Dynamos and Highlanders ibhora laphela at 35 minutes the verdict came and the points were given to Dynamos. I-verdict came for i-Highlanders and iSimba Bora ibhora laliphele kunga 1-0 1-0 and penalty awardiwe laphela and the points were given to iSimba Bora. I've seen i-Chicken in Scotland ibhora laphela kwakuyi-0-0 and kwafakwa penalty and the verdict was given to 3 points ibhora licontinuang. Now so we are draw because they've got money. So
is it because they've got money?
Yeah.
That's the fact. Because they've got money, they've got the stadium which they've provided into the stadium, and it's because of what drug. And I put available $3. It's because of what drug. It already $5. I could fit local because here I take on $50, $10 when I want to complain about it. I could fit local. But we are grateful because some to took a later nonetheless from that issue. But now, verdict I pumanga as fair as we are supposed to do. Why kungela consistency?
Right. Ithi ngubambe just to give our viewers i-context incwadi ye-PSL just to go through ukuthi i-completion abandon match week 14 khale siku week 21 yabona amaviki mangaka asedlule in between into engangikhala but anyway incwadi ithi we refer to the PSL Disciplinary Committee judgment in respect of the above-mentioned fixture and would like to inform you that the fixture will resume in accordance with the following instructions. Fixture, Hard Rock versus Dynamos Football Club, date Thursday, 9 July 2026, venue, Baobab Stadium, Engezi, isikhathi 1 o'clock. The match will resume at the minute where it was interrupted instead of being replayed in its entirety and with the same score and player cautions applicable. The match resumes with the same players, match officials, technical officials on the field as listed on the team sheet and the same available substitutes when the game was interrupted. the teams are only allowed to use the number of substitutions remaining when the game was interrupted. Players sent off during the abandoned match cannot be replaced, and the number of players in the lineup remains as it was when the match was abandoned. All match day costs related to this fixture shall be
Shit.
borne equally by both clubs. So this is incwadi evela ku-PSL signed by u-CEO uRodwell Chama. Liyayizwa manje.
Bensayehla ngakho khonapho lokuzeni ne.
Eh.
Right, so kuzabuya futhi sokuthiwa ibhora liza kuyadlalwa the remaining 14 minutes.
Mm.
Ziyadlalwa eTepopo Stadium and amakhosi khona okukhulumileyo.
They'll be
Now,
kept by both teams, yeah.
Sokubuya the most controversial part. Ukuthi khona ama-teams are going to be as they were. As they were. I mean, according to the knowledge I have for football, maybe if I'm wrong.
Kwasonto ngiyenzele fact check ukuthi ama-matches abandoned continue because mbona what we know Tina is different from what the PSL is now applying to. Because now I only know ukuthi you weather and the following day the game should continue.
What I know basically, Mina, according to these things, I relate it maybe to the same way a penalty retake yenza njani. If umasude ngaka penalty ekhuthe ukhipha imuvile from the line, kuthiwa retake, I'm allowed to ngithathe umasude ngasayithathe. So there's no problem. I think that's the similar thing with this case. Ukuthi kuno befuze beyekele nje bedlale last 14 minutes, even whoever is going to play, it doesn't matter. I stand to be corrected to that.
What's the aspect check? Because
I stand to be corrected to that.
Match week 14, when match week 21.
Most players have moved, have gone, and other players.
Seven.
Which team would like to release the player like Ngasetengo kwenye ndawo elimala kwenye team?
7 games ezibe khona phakathi. And then kasi ku window period.
Transfer window.
Obviously ama players ahambile. Uthini ngeplayer asehambile, uthini ngocoach osuke bemthanye isicathulo. Usengabuye ehlala phansi coach wena. Coach into right.
And we expect a positive result.
Yabona vele into abayenzileyo le vele ayikho vele eboreni.
Ucoach engayala ke.
Ucoach engayala ke because usuke njani lo coach mali limxothile. Limxothile expect him ukuthi ahlale ebenchini then a coach.
Ithini was I told?
First thing first, which they have to be completed within 72 hours from the day of abandonment.
Exactly.
72
so
hours.
which is 72 hours. After image abandonment. It came limited after 72. Can this my 6 weeks?
6 weeks.
Yeah.
Ama players
already it shows guys, to our viewers, please let's engage us on this issue. Sibonisane sincedisane because kunengi lathi singabe sikubona sikuthatha ngendlela because what we know lapha mbonani iPSL
on the issue of the players.
ihambe eceleni
But on the issue of the players.
Yeah, as you said, you filter ama players on la line up phakathi subbed off kaphenduki. No new players should be introduced in case of the open window, the transfer window. So same players are khona and I think they factor in khona lokho.
Yeah, all these things are
they should have been avoided because after 72 hours babeza kwenza replay yakhona.
But vele yona igame abandonwe ngeviolence iyaqediswa yini kwathi igame abandoned because now what I know is gents you weather
bona
light
ezubutho ulistile ubutho abane list ade ufuna ukuthi akhangelise even la kuma viewers bebele kuyiclue nyana ukuthi kwenziwa njani manje wonke ama game aba le violence kube kuthiwa yadroka ilamali njengathi kube layo ijudgwe njengokuthi ayijudgwa njani because ukuthi uliste
ama-fine abe makhulu abe imali eningi 10,000 yabo laba babe kuthiwa 4,000 because babe ngelamali but now nxa ungela mali usuphinde uthathe lama points because laba le mali abasathathe lama points
labale mele bekhangele lapho umsindo abukwazi la abantu abekhoza iviolence napha ya
i-judgment siphumile
i3 points ihambe
so kuthiwa igame le-Caps le yadrock lizaba nama-supporters because bakwazi i-Caps lama-supporters amaningi so kuyabe kule mali i-trying lama-supporters amalutshwana
i-judgment ithe iphuma i-fix ibisiphumile laphana bazwisisile mina bazwisisile i-PSL ukuthi bathe i-judgment ithe iphuma i-fixer ibisiphumile namatikiti abethengiswa online abanye abantu bese bethi laphana
wena bengakugweba kade ejele lapho into khona usuba kutholakala lecala sokuthi asufuze ejele uyakuthi bese imvele sembhukira umtshado ufuze nitshade ngisaradeni.
hayi ijele lebhora
hayi ungajustify
I'm justify. I'm just saying.
isigwebo sikasa khona lapho isigwetshe khona
anti ugqoke i-t-shirt
t-shirt isigwebo
hayi i-PSL nje. It's not
i-PSL but into sazathi ibhashi lihlohlo into mayi-white ayibe yi-white mayingabe yi-cream
engutshoyo jensi ukuthi i-verdict bathe yani ngikhulumela i-PSL abakutshoyo bathe i-verdict ithe iphuma ama-fixtures abe sekhitshiwe amatikiti abe sethengiswa online so igame le ayidlalwe because kule game yadroke abazayidlala empty stadium
ashi itiketi le-PSL nxa ulibala ulithengile phana laphana libhaliwe in case the match is not played there is no refund.
Akula refund.
So into evele yaziwayo lana ihlezi ibhaliwe etikitini ama-rules ikubona kufana even i-license ungayikhangela ngemuva ikhulu ibhaliwe wonke isithupha sibhaliwe imithetho yayo ngemva kwaso yimthetho evele ikhona ifuze ilandelwe khona phana sokutshintshwa because bayakwazi iyadrekile ukuze kule caps kuya kule mali but ilandela i-triangle akula nyuku baba i-triangle yabe umuntu oyi-1 lwana ebegqoke into yakhe ukuthi usulokuze nineke.
So in case you're watching us for the first time, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section.
But
it's getting heated.
Umbuzo omuhle yathi wena sokubhukira ukuchata ngeSaturday uwone namuhla lapha bekubuphi bethi jele uzathi hayi mani vele besembhukile matches of sporting ngalo chat ngiqale chat
awuyahamba baba akuna
so umchata usekuphi igame le ifuze idlalwe empty stadium
these days anibati correctional service sungachata behind bars nxa umama evele kuncaka anibase beku-correct
but thina esikutsho ukuthi the fact yadrokile imali antsho sitshintsha imithetho evele ikhona
hayi asowadroke madoda lina
hayi
i-PSL ebele backbone lingathi yadroke
i-PSL ukuze ikhuluma imithetho njalo kumbe ukuze
i-PSL ebele backbone
khulunyiswa ngokuthi lo muntu okhulumayo kumbe lo muntu omele efake lo mthetho lo ule mali engakanani
and the two masude enye into omele sikhayini umsindo as not clear. I was there stadium eGemini there. It's not clear who exactly started umthi PSL yona mayenza ama investigations but it's not clear ukuthi mbani kahle kahle waqalisa umsindo okhoza because ubutho ngama game awabalile awodwa ama team athathelwa ama points kumele kube clear ukuthi okay umsindo waqaswa iDynamos so igame lesi walkover i3 points ya ku Dynamos i3 points ya kwaDroke abayidroke babaqasa umsindo isi walkover i3 points it could have been easier that way but bona
right uyakhumbula sibala ama standing orders lana ePSL lasikhasawathumeza lana ama standing orders lana akuzange kuthiwa khona kule replay akula so
ngabahle bathi share the spoils
they're supposed to share the spoils because ama standing orders lana isithi khona i3 points zaphiwa to another team what ama points are given so they were supposed to share ama spoils as it is
it could have been fair
to follow ama rules and regulations
it could have been fair
nxa siyabhala imithetho phansi sehle ukuyilandela then that's where my point is
lami ngivumelana lani iPSL should have had a backbone yathi guys 10,000 2,000 suspended ngendlela bathi 1.1 point sokuphelile awubengasoze kube lenye commotion
then how about ukuthi idlale empty state lapho phela sengane yadroke isijuzele
and iDynamos lana punishment yaphiwa iDynamos isiphiwe isigwebo sokuthi khona every away game yayo mele ibhale report of security lokhana mina kuDynamos angaze ngusole kangako because there's this guy nalona uChomlo owabonakala ama games wonke previous ama games akhe wonke ubengena eground wonke ama previous which means i-security Dynamos was weak so khona kana kuyabangela into enjalo because ukuthi uChomlo akula game atengangeni but kade after that asikambone engene they have improved and le chawanda la after that sisibona hey
i-security bekufika ku-cabs
anya ukuthi
but i-security yadrokise improve
ama-police asuzange isuke wonke eseground kasala kulinyazwa naphandle kwelokuze nini
ukuthi
umsebenzi wawo sokugcina iground baphume bonke labana ikhwekhwe yonke
ibisesithelana following game yakhumbula menzi le army hawa ufika zinja mabhiza army i-security has improved elokhuzeni for
But it's-
ama-big matches.
akufuzanga kusala kungena kule le security phandle phela.
Ah, asazi ukuthi wena uzathini. Abantu babekhala. Sifunguzwe imibono yakho la khona phana ku-comment section uthi uthini ngalolu daba. Sesizamile athi uluhlaziya ngendlela yethu, ngendlela esiku-understanda, ngendlela esikuzwa ngayo. Gents, there's another issue engikhala ngayo. Hey, this week kunengi. Simbonile uJerry. Khale kakhulu umdala. Into engiyithole lapha ku-statement esikhulunywa ngumfana Jerry, upresident we-Caps United, mina according to me ngithole into eyi-one eserious engasibulalela ibhora lethu leZimbabwe. Yakhumbula ngikhala ukuthi we are taking 10 steps, then isitshaye 200 sibele emuva. This is another 200 step backwards. UJerry seemed laphana kule nto ayaziyo, but akazange afuna ukuthi aclarify. Uthe kulabantu abafonela ama-player match fixing allegations, ama-allegations that he is making. That is why umfana lwana emcochile, of which is wrong, sakhuluma ngakho last week. But into engibambe kakhulu utshengisa ukuthi uJerry kule nto ayaziyo ngama-match fixing, ama-allegations awayenzileyo. Kulabantu who are fixing matches, kulabantu who are phoning players, ama-opposition teams ukuthi bethengise ama-game. Eqeda ukukhuluma uJerry, mfundisi mhle ngubambanise le game ye-Scotland versus Hunters. Although iScotland izitshayela ama-team. God knows Muriro sakhuluma ngawo, kose sikhuluma ngama-transfers. Seku-Hunters. Washaya i-back pass to uGore. Ibhora ehlohlwe nguWalter. Ngase ngizibuza ukuthi ukhipha lo ngabe ube ngowe-Caps. Ubuyathini uJerry?
Right. Coming to what you have said, and i-statement asikhulumayo after ukuxotsha kwakho uWallens, which was unprofessional.
Very unprofessional.
Very unprofessional, even the way he dismissed the young man. I feel for the young man, because mina, as a sports person, as a sport-loving person, I don't only follow football. I follow ama sports, ama activities amaningi. Kulama mistakes amaningi, amaphutha amaningi abantu abayenzayo. Sometimes ama individual games, umuntu ayenza mistakes like tennis or golf and stuff.
And besikhathi esingokumaris.
Exactly. Okumaris yakhala ngayo
World Cup, penalty, bamseveni.
Kuyatholakala konke lokho
Part and parcel of football.
So it doesn't matter how many times you make mistakes, but nxa usubona nganto kulento enjalo, you do that way in an amicable way, in a professional way. You sit down, you talk when team A and player B have parted ways in mutual agreement. Asizwa amayemo yama anje so. Now you being the president of the club and you begin to speak about the allocation and mix fixing. What are we going to think, Tina? Caps pure ama penalties amangaki in a row.
Hey.
Ama last minute penalties. Ama dubious penalties. So which means ukuthi kona nxa ukuthi sesukuthatha ngenkulumo yakhe, nxa ukuthi bona bathenga ama games kubahambela kuya usihamba kuhle, nxa sokulabanye sebebhadala imali eningi kwedle yakhe sokusiba inkinga. Anti ngiyokhuluma ngakho thina sikwazi ukukona sebebhadala, because mina lami ungabuya kimi uthi kona buthi ngithengisela ifoni le nge$10, unike $10 uMasuthi enike nasi $12. Ngiyafeva ba $12. So that's how the problem is now. So asisho ukuthi ama allegations akhona yena nguyowazi.
Yena
ngoyokhulume ngakho. But nxa sesibuya bephiwa ama penalty after penalty after penalty, ama dubious penalties now and again, and no one was saying anything. Sisikwazi I know ibhora vele kuyatholakala ebhoreni. You can even get ama penalties from match 1 up to the match number 34 kulandawo. But umafana siyenza amaphutha ebhoreni, ibhora lani ZPC Kariba, you are trying to waste time, which is normal. Umuntu wamqalela nje ebhoreni wayenza ibhora lesithuli lani lemxothisa umsebenzi la umfana wayezama ukuthi enjani ekhathela ibhora wakhutha kuyatholakala hlezi ukubona kusenzakala. Odikiya babachaya umbhoko bayangisayo ngoRonaldo olokuzento ngiCaris lwana amashoti abawachaya kubheka kwakutholakala, but azange ngizothola iLiverpool ikhulume kubi ngaye uthi uthengisa igame uyayithengisa ngemalini yona bevele behola. So that's where the problem is, ukuthi as ama officials ama executives ethu sifuze sisebenzise ukucabanga ukuthi mina whatever I say it carries more impact than what anyone else can say. Mina can say ukuthi hayi team A ithengile team ilizeni game akulandaba because ngumuntu nje, but as a president of the club yiko kakhulunywa futhi iDynamo statement sabo sokuxotsha ukhaka khona sokungama allegations angu-2, which means where there's smoke there's fire. Thina sikawubona umlilo wakho usuka ngasibona intuthu kuphela ithunqa, but okusele sizawubona umlilo. OkweScotland lokhana okwenzakala kuMrila, kuyenzakala eBhoren.
Mm.
But now abantu baza ukuthi umurila ukuloni.
Mina nami ngufanye njalo ukuthi
Umurila ukuloni kulokuze
ihantazi ngiyabo.
ihantazi ngiyabo. But ngiphinde ngiphenduke ngithi ihantazi ngiyabo abasoze befune futhi ihantazi relegate. Bona they are on the winning streak. They are safe. They are in 12 points ahead of number 2. Why can't they just sell igame kulokuze ihantazi win?
Not 12.
Zamuthi 12 for 7, right? 7. Why can't they just sell ilokuze igame to hunters? Besale bele 4 points cushion. Ukwenza ukuthi ihunters survive because ngiyabo team. Yabona akula kuthengiswa khona. Either way akula kuthengiswa khona nxa sukunanzelela because awusoze uthi uzijoinise wena kulokuthi uzisize. You have got a brother and your brother is in need. You have got an extra penny ungayisebenzisiyo. Ungafuna ukuthatha another penny from him enevele khawulombe yamngezelela. That's where abantu abangakuthathi khona, but liphutha elitholakala eBhoren ngama-mistakes atholakala eBhoren and they are common there and isikhona sizawubona amaningi.
Ivale mthala.
Mina ngithi uJerry laphana kuyafana lokuthi uma usupheka imboza ubuso uyafaka isithebo kube ichicken ibe enhle laphana ube seziphekela imboza yakhe vela kula into athi semele sevale ngakho lapha. Lapha uJerry into ekhona ube unprofessional 1. 2, umfana lwana emaphutha akhe lana ezi ubuthe sisho onana babeyenza sesikhuluma ngelevel enkulu onana babeyenza ama emaphutha la uzubuza ukuthi athi umuntu lo yenzani kanti
Yiko becebe emlona bebe.
But abazange bethu thengisa
Abazange
so ungeza umdala sesitshela ukuthi kuthengiswa igame yena engupresident sesikube ukuthi shuthi umdala kule kunye ngoma game sizwa upresident abahamba besiyathenga because ungeke ukusho wena uphansi kutho ngabantu abaphezulu abakwazi ukuthi
kanti ozathenga vele mbani andingone
imali sitshelo nguwe ukuthi wena yini elilelo kuzeni kwakhona
ele access
yakho ukuthi lithenge senze kuziba ipromotion now. So hayi umdala uzi-exposile ukuthi bona into ade beyenza into eyenzakalayo.
Mfuna singene ngiyathatha kuma transfers. Ngiqalise kancane ngibuye kuwe. Letter of incapacitation ekhulunywe nguDenzeni. Ubhalele uchairman umhlophe wamtshela amdala. Lapha sokuyilahla la. Lama sakwanisa ukubuya eSpan. 3 months engahoqi. And into lekhaya yenzakala phezulu yenzakala ebafaneni. Sikhulume nga it's not a secret, everyone knows Islanders is financial crisis. So khala abaphezulu. Sithini.
Right. Yabona in life kulento ekufuze ube yazi ukuthi khona ama-keyword khona you cannot feed the horse that you cannot ride. You don't expect to ride the horse when ungalifeed. It won't perform well. Ibhizi uze ligijime kuhle likwewini nama-competitions amaningi lifide lidle libe healthy and it can perform well. So and you cannot expect ukuthi ibhara nxa ufuqa ibhara likuhambele kuhle lingakusindi nxa ungalifaki igrease. You have to oil it. So ibhoso abafana be-Highlanders mina ngibachayela ihlombe ngithi thumbs up. They've acted professional. They've delivered results under hard lokuzenini situations, circumstances. And nxa sesibuya back to incwadi kalokuzenini kaMkandla, uMkandla did the right thing. Unlike just not reporting for duty, you'll be charged for absent of to work without leave. He had right to no, I'm not resigning. But angisakwanisa ukuthi bengizithwala ngizibise emsebenzini ngizosebenza as I'm been doing day to day. Ngapha endlini kufunakala ukuthi abantwana bedle, kufuze abantwana beye esikolweni, kufuze kube lamarent, kufuze kube lalokhu. Bonke abantwana bebona babevuke kusene gesi efake ithayi esemsebenzini usiba muhle siye ofisini. But akula lutho oluphumayo ugcineni. So you talk to your bosses. That's professional. That's being a professional. So I acted in a professional manner. And the same way ama-players Islanders have been doing. Ubenchi futhi uzwagcina wakhuluma laba bacela bhadaleni nabafana ababhadala ama-players. They have to try and find a way. I-Islanders week in week out iyangenisa amalokuzenini ama-fans amaningi. Why inganeglect okunye ukuthi khona right we have been suppressing ama-players ukuwabhadala sicover ABCD. Why can't we just hold on to this one and cover ama-players and the staff and we pay them? So that nxa bengababhadala be-motivated enough beyikhava lapha sebekwerete khona beyikhava khona okuncane abalakho. Then sebezathi ngesikhathi besaphika laba beseqasa ukuvala lapha abathethe khona bephethe khona. I think it becomes easy. But lingabe lokho lifuna ukuphetha ngapha lifuna ukubuka endaweni engayisiyo. abantu abaliyenzela ukuthi lithole imali lelingabayenzi kahle
akuphumi. So uDenzel in a nutshell it did very well.
It did well.
Mina vele ngibona ngani madoda oDenzel abala madoda asikhumene iqiniso. Umuntu wonke abe semsebenzini. And umuntu uma esemsebenzini usebenzela imuli yakhe. Isikhathi siyahamba. Namhla imandi izolobe kuyisande. Kuyabe uhamba. So ungabona ususebenza ungaholi madoda. Hayi, kwale ejele labo bayasebenza but uyabona bethunga something like umuntu aphume ehola ulwazi. So kuwalenda kulalwazi ozaluhola
le mali.
Iluphi ulwazi ozaluthola. So sometimes okwenze ngoDenzel it's good ngoba lwatsho muke accuse vele la uqala lapha athi hey Botswana kutshontsakala imali. So it's good, it's a professional.
Asingene kuma transfers. Teams are doing serious business. Window livulile. Players are moving. A good thing ibhora lethu is now showing ukuthi it's on another level. Despite all these challenges, but ground teams are showing serious intent of advancing a level of ibhora lethu. Ungabona players like Prince Dube from all the way from Tanzania, Vela Winnie League, being signed by, and there's a former son of Islanders. That's the move that I expected. Ukuthi umfana usevela phandle aphenduka ayekhaya, but due to into zonke lezi ezenzakalayo umfana bengeke ebuye esuke eTanzania coming back to teams like Hard Rock. Yabona lokho ngikuprove every day. Into engikutshela yona ukuthi kulama team amadala kulama team amakhulu which are emerging.
Yeah, I wanna.
So in a nutshell nje.
In a nutshell, what I can say.
Transfers.
What I can say about ama transfers ayenzakalayo currently. I can say nxa sibuyela ku-Mets kuthiwa improper faction. Improper faction where i-denominator is smaller than the numerator we-denominator kukhulu kulokunye. I-transfer, why am I saying so?
Ufika numerator singu-14.
Exactly.
I-denominator ku-1.
Yabona manje. So inxa kusenzakala kanjalo kutshengisa ukuthi khona ama-teams anjengabo Scotland, ama-teams anjengabo Hard Rock yiwo abathengayo bodwa abale mali ngala abathenga ama-players angane yacaca. Ngapha amanye ama-team amancane vele ahlala emancane, but khona ukuthenga kwabo kuyathuthukisa i-league. Nxa kuyikuthi khona ngapha kwamanye ama-teams bazaba labo befuqekile bezwe befuna ukuthenga la ma-players so that they can have a balanced diet, ukuthi lathi i-league yethu ibe balanced, because now as we stand no team can match i-Scotland, no team can match i-Hard Rock nxa ingadlala kuhle, because yibo abathi labo Caps yibo abathengayo. Ikubona i-Hard Rock le Caps zihambe pound to pound because zonke zibhife up. But now nxa usiya ukuthi i-Scotland sezodlala nama-teams anjengabo Highlanders abathenganga lutho, aba-players abaholi, and playing against ama-players who are being motivated, it becomes hard. So i-window is on progress. Highlanders is not doing anything. Bulawayo Chiefs not doing anything. Chicken, of course, they brought in midfield to Junior Makwenike, and amanye ama-teams athule oPlatinum la izamile ingezi ilebhani but is producing results. That is the thing which is worrying me most, ukuthi kona the team which is not buying is producing ama results. So is it important ukuthenga or not? It's a spear Caps, but ama-teams I think they have to try and beef up their squad, and by so doing lingaphomba ukuthenga ama-players lingasoze linjani liwasebenzise lama-players like ubhuti wakhuluma last time ukuthi bengagijimela iSodoma leGomora ekhanya iluhlaza but ibolile ngaphakathi. So we need ukuthi nxa bethenga ama-players bengathengi because of greed, abathenga ama-players bebadlalise, bengathenga ama-players ukuthi bewabulale i-career yabo. Sisithi ama-teams ayathenga but ama-players efike ehlale phansi because silawo ukuthi like for example ukuthi ngithengele ukuthi kona ngizotha kona kulesicathulo esithengiswayo laphana mbona umuntu atsho uyasifuna ngigijime ngiyesithenga umuntu atshe engasithengi ibe laso kuphela, which is wrong. So asithengeni nabantu esiyabasebenzisa singathengi ukuthi sibulale ama-career abafana like okwenzakala kumsentami ku-Pirates. Baba greedy i-Pirates ukuthi babona ukuthi amanye ama-club azamthenga umsentami bamgcina kuphela. So it's
but
very bad.
It's not being greedy. Anyway, it's a topic for another day. I don't think it's being greedy. Umfana level imfuna ngeke ngakhuluma even siqalisa abafana abancane. Umfana uyamnika i-opportunity ehle kuyigrab. I-player enika i-opportunity ehle kuyigrab. Whose problem is it? But anyway, Masudu, ngama-transfers, what do you have to say, my brother?
Yeah, bona ama-transfer mbona it's good for improvement ebhora leZimbabwe, because now ukubona ama-players anjengabo Prince Dube, Bheki, Omsuna, what that ama-players angakhona equality ukuthi ahambe
Lungisima
ahambe even ayekhompyutha even laphandle. Abasabi ukufesis ama-league umsona badlale kubo Hoffenheim abasabi ukufesa oBillard yabo. So i-league kuyetsho ukuthi isi-league iphezulu but so sad kulaba kuma-players kuma-teams anjengabo Highlanders because babo ngani ulokhu kuse-symmetry kuthule zwi.
Iwindi khona livula manje.
Hayi iwindi livulile abanye sebeze kubo-Highlanders
ama-price tag awafake emafaneni ukuthi khona bengathengwa.
Banikeni isikhathi maybe inyanga
isikhathi siphi
bakapa.
But let's talk of i-price tag efakwe kumongameli.
Bese ngifuna ukuthi umbuzo omolandelayo bese ngifuna ukuthi yipi i-transfer so far which has excited you and disappointed you, which has excited you, yipi which has disappointed you?
The transfer which has excited me is it signing Ika Prince Dube going to Wardrobe. So that's a good signing, a good acquisition. It's a good and tried and proven player. He has been doing well in Tanzania. He has been doing well here in Zimbabwe. He has been doing well for the national team. We have seen him doing so exceptionally well. So that young motivate, young chaza la ukuthi kuyakhuthaza ukuthi some foreign-based Zimbabweans, if they feel to come back home, they can now come back. Bebona ukuthi khona no amanye ama-players abuyile bazodlala. And the disappointing one of them all is for Cape United, Washington Arupi.
Why?
That's why, not because Washington Arupi is a bad goalkeeper, but because of the way the circumstances are surrounding his coming now. That is what I'm talking about. So Arupi is a good goalkeeper. I've got nothing against him, but I'm saying it in disappointment because nxa uzaxotsha umuntu namuhla kusasa ufaka omunye kufana nokuthi khona mina ngithi ngivele ngumfazi namhlanje kusasa senthethe ubemvele ngila i-girlfriend leyo ngiyemvele ngila i-girlfriend
ama-example kabuthi ngabe ngani mbuyela ihora.
So it means ukuthi khona they'd already talked to Arupi prior to this decision coming up to effect.
Hayi ukhulumile wakhuluma phela upresident hayi sike sakhuluma ngayo indaba yokuthi ubelokhe bala ukuthi hayi bese imcheckile uBoyze. But anyway Masudu, which one is excited and
obvious hayi ekaGaddafi hayi
Prince Dube
isichazile liyana ngichaze kakhulu imove kaGaddafi kakanti le bhora lakhe lapha ezingene akilo alingeke life engathi imbhowile vele like apata akufani ngamrira
iloni umrira umncayo.
hayi
So let me give you a run through of the transfers that have happened so far because we win this avoid. Capes ithethu Arupi yathathu Precious Phiri from Zambia, Ochivunga, Victor James from Botswana. So it keeps 5 acquisitions so far. Chicken in Junior Makuneke from Hard Rock to Chicken in, that's a loan deal. Hard Rock, Gerard Takwara, Prince Dube, McDonald Ramek so far. God knows Murira, Scotland to Hunters, Iska Kuirapi, Chomlwana Otibulala from Musimba Bora, Watengwa Scotland, say Joel Platinum, it's a loan move. Silas Songani, Tel1, Vitapi Ngaruka, FC Platinum. So these are the, I saw wood, but these are the major transfers that have taken place so far. Good decade. So I'm just happy nje and even issue ubutho sefuna isikhulume ngayo. Cape United ifuna umonga. Price tag 200,000. Lezi imali sezikhulunywa kuleague yeZimbabwe. 200,000 US. Ungayiconvert to rands. Angiko convertere putjas. Ungayiconvert 200,000 to rands. Ngabo malini? About 4 point something million rands. Lezi imali sezikhulunywa putjas. It shows ukuthi the level operator kilo manje. So I'll be happier into zonke zingayenzakala professionally from PSL Zifa uyehla to even the teams. Izinto lezi ezinye ezenzakala but ngama transfers mina I'm actually happy. Anything to add, anything to separate on the issue of transfers? Ubufuna ukukhuluma ngomonga ye 200,000.
Masithi mina i-price tag kamonga ye 200,000 is quite a huge amount to take umfana omncane odlale 6 months kuphela ku-league. And
Ukhathesi nxa usukhuluma ngemali sengumfana omncane uyavuma ukuthi umfana omncane. Ungazicontradict but stick to your lane.
nxa singumfana omncane kulami.
Alabo usukhuluma nje ama-politician.
Mncane kulami. Ikwe ngumfana wami.
What for a 24-year-old?
All right, for a 24-year-old, not for a 24-year-old. Umncane in terms of football. So that's why it's umncane in terms of football. Ukuthi khona ethi
Dala eBoren if you are good enough.
right,
Old enough.
right.
I always say.
Let me finish my point.
Hey.
Emuntwini onjengomonga ukuthi umteke 190, he's just played 6 months in the league. And sumteka ku 190,000. 190,000 in Zimbabwe is a lot of money. In league here 200,000. So
if he's good enough.
Listen to me.
Highlanders
is struggling to cater for our day-to-day needs, which is like upatala fans and paying employees and even buying other players. You sell him maybe at 100,000. You can get 2 better players to replace Umonga. You can get urun a club yakho, but lingenza njalo ama clubs azayekela ukumthenga i-contract yakhe irun down ehambe free agent. You have lost.
But is he not worth? Because
It's not worth.
According to you, is he worth?
It's not worth.
Because 200,000 doesn't have Imalin.
It's not worth.
Imalin? 3.2 million rands.
It's not worth.
If 5,000 it's 100,000 rand,
so Umonga is not worth
200.
All right,
it's not worth.
It's okay. Mina mbuzo nje kuphela
ukuthi hayi ungazibuza umbuzo njalo ngawufuna ukuthi Umonga is not worth to 200,000 yikho bangaze bemtake zwa
akula interest
iCaps yemfundo
wahle kwaphela khona ba
uzwi statement batheni after
200
bathi hathi nabesifuna ukuthi kabuye
siphinde simlone big sisiphonisele but
hayi kodwa edlalela iCaps simlone
siyamthatha
next season which means kakabi worth enough ukuthi adlalele iCaps nge-material yakhe right
umuntu anyway, it's a topic for another day. Let's move on from our transfers. I'm just happy nje ngento ezenzakalayo. Let's move on to iMuno Mutapa draw, which happened. We also which fixtures owabona awuchaza aweMuno Mutapa. Muno Mutapa is happening soon. These ones are the last fixtures. Ukuthi last time sakhuluma ukuthi ama teams Division 1 asiseduze ukuthi aphewe le Premier League. So these are the last preliminary round fixtures. Adlala mhla ka-10 to 12 weekend le. Kule Cheetahs FC iyadlala le Chatic FC eWange, iChapungu ile Moz under 19, iMaswingo ile Black Rock, iKwekwe ile Deportivo la Morambi indaphi gunning for ilokuzeni. Anti was support ile Deportivo even iKwekwe in Central Region. iRusape ile Oden, iJordan ile Destiny, iBlue Stones ile Chile, iScotland Juniors ile Rosa, kule Thwa Mawabeni. I'm happy for this fixture. Mawabeni ile Aqua Stars. Iguayvali, Gwanda Pirates, sorry. This one is the fixture of the preliminary rounds. Gwanda Pirates versus Harare City, Lokuzeni, Epelandaba, Iguayvali Cranes versus Marere FC. Then Sunday is Buffaloes versus Blanket Mine. Blanket Mine is on top of East Central Region, doing well. Iwange versus Green Fuel. This sounds like a PSL fixture. Iwange FC versus then Nottingham, the Norton Big Boys. Which fixture, gents? Oh, preliminary to play, to get into the last 32. So lezi zinga the chance of playing with the big boys.
Yeah, kadesi lapho sokukhona lapho nasokuyilahla lapha kusafuni ama-team azakwenza njengeSenegal ukuthi they throw away their lead because they are so league sokungu-4-4. So they have to capitalize. Okwanda parents, they have to try because team enganthiwa support engani ngconywana le wala miye ngisupport
Ngoba le mawabeni laba kunama-team Deportivo naMurambinda, Harare City, mdala lapho kuyafiwa la.
hayi Deportivo into nayithanda.
It's doing well. It's been top 4 ku-Eastern region.
I understand. Angitsho ukuthi wena ukhuluma ukuthi uyayithanda phela. Nami ngikhulume ngincanywa.
Support base, in terms of support base.
Ngoma wabeni kuzonezana that is guys ima-Tipland region sibe nama-teams amaningi because vele thina silama-teams amalutshwane nga. Ngoba kade sikuya kule Highlanders, Chicken in le Blue Chiefs. So singathola khona lapho la zingene bonke and stuff. Sabe si right.
Yeah, I think
Ukhangelele i-fixture nje kumuntu mutapo ubona igame izabe imnandi ngeweekend. Kumbe seGwanda sebukele.
Hayi igame obviously izabe imnandi iGwanda le Harare City. Because look at iGwanda siyayazi vele ukuthi ilabo bala nje. Look at Harare City ngathi uyayilandelela uyayibona ukuthi ilabo bala.
Who tries doing well like that side.
Which means lapho kabe kuyilokhuzeni vele. Kabe kuyi-premier nje. Nje just ukuthi bakuthi one but it's a premier stuff lapho. Kabe kufiwa le game yabe fiwa le.
Yabe imnandi. Saze khona lapho gents. Division 1 football zidlalile. Sibone ama-results aphumile eHarare Northern region. eHarare City ngibe ngikhulumile. Iphezulu kuloko. Ibuyelile phezulu kuloko. Idle iZambezi 1-0. Ngale last week isikhulumile ukuthi ileague le kuyafiwa le Northern region. Usaveleza ngabe ukhona bekhuluma i-team yakhe iChingwera. But anyway, i-top 4 eyangale iHarare City leader zibambene le Black Rhinos 35 points. Ungafu bonke kuyafiwa ku-MCM ngala. MCM Estates in Northern region league there. iHarare City le Black Rhinos 35 points, 35 it goal difference. Ingezi under 19. Nje yakhumula isizini iqalisa ukuthi ingezi sathini. Iqinisile
affectwanga lokho zenza.
Yabo ama-juniors abo number 3 32 points. You understand? Ku Northern region. Number 4 iGNT Mine on 30 points. It shows it's a 5 points gap in Northern region. Then moving on to Eastern region. Eastern region la kuyafiwa ngale madoda. iDeportivo labo lokuzeni. Labo Maswingo labo Greenfield. Because league liyana ungathi checker kahle kahle. I think 5 or 16 eziqinile ebezikhona thesikade ku league deserve ukuthi 0. And iYada is leading. iYada idla iMaswingo 1-0 is leading the pick. iYada is serious ifuna ukuphendula. Although iDeportivo laMurambinda layo is closing igap khona pha ifuna ulokhuza ungena. uMaswingo kuyayilahla. iGreenfield iwinile 2-0. iManika under 19. It's nice to see ukuthi ama-teams lawa ama-development sides abo they're also doing well. iManika under 19 yadla iChivu 1-0. Moving on to ilokhuzeni i-Central region. Central region besikhuluma ngoLuke Petros manje. Former player doing well. Bekuyi-team esingeke iBlanket Mine besingayikhangelanga. Blanket Mine is doing well. Central region number 1 iqanisile idle ikhwekhwe bekuyi igame esikhuluma ngayo last week ukuthi top of the table clash. Blanket Mine came up tops defending i-territory yabo kini yahle yaphezulu. Ungachecka ilokhu sending e-Central region. Ilokhuzeni iBlanket Mine iphezulu is on 38 points, same number of games. iChapungu nge-1 point now. Then iKwekwe is number 4 ilandela iWest Nixon. iWest Nixon ile 35 points. iKwekwe ile 33 points. Gwanda is losing igap but 7 points. It's a huge gap though because it's almost 3 games. Yi-team ebesikhangela ukuthi izabe I think siluza ama-points amaningi ama-draws. iGwanda Pirates idrawe kakhulu. Idrawe futhi le Grand Tigers over the weekend 0-0. Omachisa ngazi Topi kwenzakalani? You're not finding the back of the net like used to. So we coming to Southern region, gents. Southern region iWange is opening igap on serious, no, is showing serious intent
It's
of coming
cruising,
back.
Hayifunga uphenduka.
41 points, landed by Italian Vision on 37 points. Then Jordan, number 33, surprisingly, Inca is losing ground. Sebeyithenga 11 points. It's a huge gap. Ukuthi isingakhavisa kudlalwe 7 games. Igame ebimnandi over the weekend, Italian Vision lebulawa City, City ngizihamba ngiyayi-check-a, but angisathola ngesikhathi. Italian Vision layo is a team on form, is showing serious intent. Inka yadane la kuBhoso yacha 4. Yacha iBhoso 4-0, iwange yadla iJordan 2-0. It shows ukuthi iwange
Consistency.
serious ongakanani. I think that's Division 1 for you. Anything to say across all these 4 leagues?
Yeah, I think ama teams la, they have to capitalize some opportunities about Tolana Lauti. If they don't utilize the opportunity they have next season, also kuyabe kuminjani. Because emathimini amaningi nje akade sikule ku-Southern Region benganto okuchiphile mbijana, but bayayekela iwange bebaleka. So khona kana bafuze bekulungisisa ukuthi nxa bedlala bedlale be-serious and with the desire, the hunger to go forward. Okwanda Pirates nxa amateam aphezulu engane yahlangana, ungavele ubone amateam angu-2 yahlangana aphezulu, la nithatha any opportunity, because you know that one yakhona is a drop ama-points, or zonke ziyadrop ama-points. So they have to utilize those opportunities kusiya phambili. I'm happy about it. Iyada ngisupporta just basically because of ulokhu zenini uMagaya. No, I love him as a sports person.
Oh, okay.
He's a person who has got a sport at his heart, his passion in that. Because njengoba teacher understand namhlanje because of him. And ilokhu zenini stadium slide. So ngiyakwazi ukuthi nxa ukuthi i-team yakhe yaphenduka, is going to do more for this football fraternity. He is the first person who sponsor ilokhu zenini league yabafazi, ungela muntu we-sponsor, even though bacina bemkhiphile ukuthi engayi-sponsor. So I love that kind of passion he has for football. That is why I'm supporting Yata for now ukuthi ihambe forward.
I'm just happy, James, ukuthi Division 1 serious competition. Teams are showing serious intent ufuna ungena
ku Central le lokho ze-Northern uyakhanya yabona team ezangena laphana izafana labo Scotland, ukuthi team engenayo sibila asoyibi walkover. La yabe expect something from him.
And Black Man was as well run. Mind lana serious ngesport. Bese ngayikhangelanga, but now sebetshengisile ukuthi, because hiring someone like Luke Petro, uthi legend of the game, is showing ukuthi serious sibili.
Njalo team okuchaza ngakhona ile Ingezi
under 19
not yakhanda Ingezi ngokwayo ile bucket baba.
But serious.
Hambisi yacupha khona. So you can't undermine Ingezi le khona le. Because yabona even phansi uthi yenzani. Ile lokho zena ilomfutho right man.
Gents, feeling like we'd like busy that time lapele umana khona last week, say veze this week. Aba gents wakho, I'll just run through nje the results of the Premier Soccer League. Nyakwazi ela kucho Ibula Chiefs uMasudi wayikhulumela ukuthi ilokhuzeni iyawina. Ibula Chiefs, these are the results of match day 21 played over the weekend. Ibula Chiefs yadla iMozi 1-0, iTel1 yadraw le Platinum 0-0, FC Hunters bayibulala eScotland 3-0, Ingezi Platinum Stars yadla iChicken in 3-2. I think from this week is
yimi ngathi Hunters
the chicken abantu
hayi chicken nangikhuluma la nihleka ichicken ngathi chicken ngaba ukuthi la nihleka ngathi angisakhuluma.
Hayi wayefuna ukuthi chicken ngathi hayi wena ungakhuluma, but uBlessing Makonike uthengiwa ubuya waqalisa their lead team. Lo Charamba was back in the fold, wafika first game yakhe koBhora, sathi chicken is back and the team yayibhikiwe according uMajika baqalisa sikhuluma egroupini sithi ayi chicken this week iqinile, but it's showing now ukuqina kwengezi bayilida yaphenduka ya equalizer.
Yeah, I think sikhona lapho ukuthi the coming in of Ocharamba is a motivation booster good team, because you know ukuthi Ocharamba can surprise you at any given time, and or i-team yayiphike mnandi, but i-problem manje comes ukuthi khona siyabe sidlala njani lanxa i-team iphike kuhle. Ukuphika i-team ayisikho ukudlala kwe-team, but i-formation iyadlala i-team
Okay.
so that's where the problem is. If singatshengisa indlala, because lapho esimi khona khathesi akukho kuhle. Last season I think sasikhona apha futhi ngesikhathi sonesi, and sagcina sesifight relegation nge-last match
So it shows that you're not improving.
so we are not, instead of improving, we are just stagnant, we are at one place. So singavele sidliwe i-next game ama-team angu-2 angaphansi ewin, kuyasuke ilahla kakhulu, because we are just 7 points away from relegation, which is bad for iChicken Inn.
Uthini masuthi ngamagame la adlalwe ngeSaturday?
Adlala ngeSaturday mina engakusho ukuthi awazephi kuScotland. Scotland bengikwazi vele ukuthi iyavandalize.
Phela khulumela litshe i-team ezahlohla eScotland. Mina ngibuza ngithi
I-team
mina ngikhulumela ezahlohla.
i-team ezakhokori iScotland kula la ePF
iChicken Inn
hayi
izahlohla
ePF
kuScotland.
lamanga.
Oh, so let's
Let us
move on
wait and
to
see.
the Sunday fixtures. Adlalwe ngeSunday. Hard Rock played to a 3-3 draw the Cape United eChawanda. iManica iZPC 1-0. iTriangle idliwe iRenters 1-0. iDynamos idle yagama 4-0. iyayilenda leSimba Bora zidrawile 1-1. These are the Sunday.
Dynamos.
These are the Sunday results.
iDynamos and ngifuna ngavele ngishilo ngathi iDynamos linga-undermine. Team liyana ukulitshela iqiniso asilandeleni ibhora. iDynamos yiyo angazi ungakhangela kahle mbona yiyo elama-goals amaningi.
Yeah,
iDynamos iyachaya.
iyachayeleni.
iDynamos ilabantu ababukhali phambili. iDynamos iyachaya. So kuba nzima ukuthi iDynamos ayiwini wese ku-home.
Isidlulwa eScotland. iScotland yesihlohla. iScotland ihlohle
Iyahlohla
35.
ingaconcede.
iScotland ihlohle 35. iDynamos ihlohle 31. So it's one of the top 2 scoring teams ku-league yethu.
Which means azange affecteke kakhulu for coach
Bebe coach omutsha nje kimlungu.
sesogitiza labo vele bevele bekhona vele aba
ku-system.
azange affecteke kakhulu.
So Butho, anything to add ngama-games adlalwe ngeSunday? You happy with the results?
Results, they were fair. They're showing ukuthi khona now, I think this is the highest scoring season so far from the time nami ngaqasa ulandela ibhora kuma-early 2000, and I think bahlohleni okuzwayo ama-players ayahlohla. I'm quite impressed about Unavaya is now ufuna back-to-back ilokuzeni goal of the season. Scotland is keeping clean sheets, and they are threatening my goalkeeper's record.
I think historically, as a team in Scotland, I'm not sure, I'm going to check in. I'm a clean sheet ezim. I think Scotland is
iChicken Inn.
I'm talking of consistent, like every week in, week out.
Okay, yeah.
Back to back,
that's true.
Back to back clean sheets.
Consecutive.
I'm a consecutive.
Yeah, that's true.
Is it guy saying? I'm a clean. Because
the difference is Scotland ukuthi khona ama-clean sheets akhona amaningi awonke ngokuthi yabe wina yona. Thina sasiwathola ama-clean sheets ngama-0-0 ngesikhathi last season uDonovan ezethatha 20 kulokuzenini. Sakwanisa ukuwathola sibile nge-4-5-7 elandelayo.
Uzasifect-checkela ukwazi esijeli lapha. I think ngama-back to back sibile Scotland is very close. Isingaphela phela isizini engahlohlwa ihamba so. I think they've gone how many games?
This is number 17.
Number 17.
So sokusele 3 ukuthi be break record kaDonovan.
And they imagine behamba in a row, be like week in, week out, not. Let's look at this week's fixtures, gents. Match week 22, feeling like with like a my predictions they do. My games are on Friday the 10th of July. Scotland takes on Ted1 at Rufaro Stadium.
3-0.
Scotland is 3-0.
Yeah.
So Scotland is taking this one. Masudi
4.
Fonya. Saturday, the 11th of July, Simba Bora takes on Bulawayo Chiefs. 2-0
Simba Bora win.
Sutman.
Ngaba 1-1
Selu Veve, Machenzi checking in, takes on Manica Diamonds. Selu Veve.
Mina le ngiqanile.
Hayi, chicken ngayinika la manje.
Yawina i-chicken in.
Singawina 2-0.
ZPC Kariba takes on Antazi eNyamunga.
Yawinile kuze
ZPC.
2-1.
La uthi ZPC.
Yeah, ZPC.
FC Platinum takes on Highlanders eMandaba. Obviously bohambile.
1-1.
Hayi, maningi.
Cape United final game yeSaturday. Cape United takes on Ingezi Platinum Stars eRufaro.
2-2.
Thatha ni Cape United.
Cape Ingezi eRufaro.
Ngezi 2-1.
Ingezi yadli Cape. So Jetu Arubia continue ngokuconsider.
Lo hloqa songokuchayela ikhona.
Umthetho lana kawazi uTopi mepe nce ka understand umthetho emusha. Kuyatholakala isiphaleni phakathi. Then ngeSunday Mozi takes on Dynamos eNgoni.
Dynamos.
Mozi win.
Mozi ayibhedela but anyway ukuthi wesigame. Renters takes on Hard Rock eRufaro.
Hard Rock.
Yeah, i-Renters iyahlohla but so 2-1. 2-1 in favor of Hard Rock.
Final game Agama takes on Triangle eWatsana Stadium.
Agama.
0-0.
Mana ngonike ilogo mbukeli ilogo ethume kanje after match week 21. Scotland is still on top, 46 points, followed by Hard Rock with 39 points. That's a 7-point gap. Although Hard Rock ile game in end abazayiqedisa njengoba sichilo abazayiqedisa le Dynamos 14 minutes plus added time encebe agcina bedlalo 18-20 minutes. So there's still a game. And dlalo this weekend.
Mhla 14
midweek after those games. Then third on the log is Ingezi Platinum on 36 points. The Renters is also on 36 points. Then the relegation candidates, we've got i-Triangle. I-Triangle I think ngaba kwenzileyo uSaverezo kade ekhuluma ke groupini uthi beyicoachwa ngu-kit manager. But kwenzakalani ebholeni eZimbabwe manje? I-team yesubmitter i-lineup no professional coach, kulo kit manager, kulo physio, kulo medic kuphela.
Solo technical director.
So unprofessional. I-PSL mele ukukhayela sifuna i-team ehambe egamini ngela coach.
But and uRonaldo is a qualified coach.
Oh,
okay, it is.
Ngikhuluma Triangle ihambe ngela coach. Yayibona ngilokuzeni line up yabo.
Ngibonisa into group.
Bengela coach. Ngama relegation candidates lawo Triangle, Manika number 17, Agama number 16, iTel1 number 15. Kule zishana i6 points, iTel1 ile 17 points. Then ezilandelayo ezinye ezingagcina zingene ku relegation so far. I've got Ibulawayo Chiefs, the Chicken in. I'm happy. 24 points. Zithiya ZPC Kariba, le Hunters. ZPC Kariba, le Hunters, they 20 points. So far.
We are just 7 points away from relegation. That's 2 games.
7 points.
So we are not safe.
But I'm saying so far, currently, ingcono. I-team ezingawela ZPC, the Lokuzeni, the Hunters on 20 points. So that's the log. Chance last words, see Valenini. I think we've done justice to this episode. Last words, see the Kaka, see Val.
Mina ngithi ubuhle bethu ngabalandeli bethu.
Ubuhle benu nje Island.
Hayi. Ubuhle
njenge-passing move.
Be-passing ngabalandeli bethu.
Siyabonga.
Whatever iko ngathi ama-negatives amani kokhana nginanzelele something baba. Uyakwazi ukuthi umumbu lo osudlayo awukhuliswa i-fertilizer umquba lwana esuwunyanyayo. So what I mean ngithi ama-negatives yiwo asikhulisayo baba.
That's constructive criticism. Sesifaka ngolimi lwe-king. Anti akusela queen.
Yeah.
Ngolimi lwenkosi i-king yaseNgilani.
Wazi wakhuluma amazwi amahle. Namhlanje nami ngingaqeda ngathethiswanga.
Umakhobeza last week.
Hayi
usuthenga amakhobeza.
Ngisho lokuzeni uma uThombani uSavereze ngeke uthi ke nithethe.
Uyabuya next week.
Ngingaqeda. But yeah, nonetheless, it's been long without me saying this word. What Masood has just said, it reminds me of an brand, Ochwala. It promotes itself and says, "It's you make Castle great."
My sponsors the league.
It's you make Castle great. Who makes Castle great? You.
You.
Abayinatayo. So the same thing uMasood athi ukhuluma konke, it's you who makes this podcast great. Abalandeli bethu. But you can only make us great by subscribing and commenting and giving us positive and negative criticism. We all want them. As Landabala, we don't take anything personal. We learn from our mistakes. We are not abantu abanothense ngulanda ku-inbox ngithi uzungishawute kangaka no. Wena ubona into akunihlambalazile but ayakunikeze ilokuzenini i-heads up yokuthi khona ngikwanisa ukuyalungisa lapho emphazamisa khona. So please remember to bet responsible. Lucky Bets is there for you when you're feeling lucky, when you're feeling bored. Just subscribe to luckybets.co.zw and log in your details, put on your money from EcoCash, Omar and Inbucks and enjoy yourself. But remember to bet responsible. We love you.
Ngingakayivali kwasto ngithole something ama-clean sheet.
Because it is shaped and I because I proper but come out to mention the Simba Bora FC Platinum. I think FC Platinum coming with 11 consecutive in their
11 consecutive clean sheets.
I got figured it Scotland.
I got figured. So but they're on their way to breaking Ilokuze. So far Platinum Simba Bora, FC Platinum. Scotland. Okay. Then abaqeda belamaningi in league. So far nguDonovan Chicken in but 20. So basele le 3 games to be break. Istimdala ngani sihambile.
Ingahlala ngesikhathi eside yes.
Imagine. Sesivala, thank you to Lucky Bets Zubutho said our number one sponsor. Asivaleli muntu ngaphandle. If you want to advertise, just hit us up. Oh sorry, uthiwa ngikhulume ngikhalele camera. Sorry my guy. Sesivala. Thank you to Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Asivaleli muntu ngaphandle. Anyone who wants to advertise can just hit us up. Amachita afaka ama details. Contact us if you want to advertise your brand, if you want to push anything. And also, please remember to follow us on all social media platforms. There's Tape3. It's Tape3 on all social media platforms. We are there. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section as we always say. And njoba machita bese chill. Ungayisuwe, it's you who make us great. Ngalawa mazwi siyabonga. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, from me, Amachita, and the crew behind the scenes. Namhla maningi behind the scenes namhla kuyafiwa no awakhiwe no Manu no Kwasto, and always umenza isitores behind the scenes. Machins siyabonga kakhulu labo mama, keep on supporting us. Siyabonga kakhulu. Until next week, ciao.